And welcome to the Trade Exchange Analyst Desk. We are live this afternoon with Zozo Trader, a contributor to the Trade Exchange Forum and Squawk. Folks, welcome. We'd like to bring in Zozo Trader specifically and very interesting information on NQ Mobile this morning. At 7:14 in the morning, enters into a non-binding letter of intent for the sale of Florida Mobile and shows self a proposed US $100 million investment. And Zozo Trader is on live with us, taking a look at the chart on your right. It's a very simple 1-minute candlestick chart, and on your left there is a live shot of the Trade Exchange Forum. Zozo, when you take a look at this type of information, what runs through your mind, and how do you kind of prepare for the day?
Hey George, hi traders. Yeah, the first thing that I do when I see NQs like NQ news like this in the early morning is obviously put it on a chart. Okay, that's the first thing. I also put it in my watch list for the day. And what the thing about this was that it came out at 7:14, so I could even do more research on the stock and look at it on different time frames, check the daily chart, look at 60-minute chart, 30-minute chart to get some levels that I felt were important, to the stock. So I know many traders were watching this stock after the news came out. And the best way to trade this is now you don't want to jump in this right at the open on NQ. You kind of want to let it settle down a bit and then look for some areas of support and resistance. And when you see that area is being taken out, like I'll say in this case, looking at the 1-minute chart, when it was getting over around, we'll call it 340-ish area, 350-ish area on the chart, then you see that you had the big move up to the highs on NQ. So what the news allows you to do is it allows you to build up your watch list and stocks that are going to be in play for the day. It's almost not only is it news and information, but it's also works as a scanner so that you can get your charts ready and prepared for the day ahead. So that's kind of what I did on this one on NQ. I had put it on my radar. I looked for levels. I was able to check the daily, the 60-minute charts, etc., and then try to get a really good entry in the stock. So that was the trade on NQ, and that's basically how Trade Exchange can help you in your everyday trading. Each day it builds a watch list, or if you're a swing trader, can put watch stocks on your list for trades for either today or tomorrow. So NQ will be on watch for me probably for the rest of the week, and that's how I was looking at NQ.
Thanks, Ozo. And folks, that's an awesome way of looking at even pre-market information, how it can impact a stock's trading. As you see on the right-hand side, stock is up 38 cents at more than 11% on the day. We're going to very quickly show you, if you haven't already checked it out on the front of your screen, this is at www.thetradeexchange.com. We have an introduction to the Trade Exchange and what we do and how we function. Also, if you haven't seen it, we had a great webinar on SEC filings, understanding SEC filings, and a wonderful way of seeing that. Folks, thanks for checking in one more time. We do have NQ Mobile, really interesting information coming through the Trade Exchange Forum and Squawk Services earlier this morning. Zozo Trader, thanks for joining us. Folks, have a great afternoon.